Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have Huawei Nova 12 SA and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. Open settings application where we choose mobile network and their data usage. Now we tap on more data settings and there we can set our data limits. First, monthly data limits, maybe 12 gigabytes we can set, or megabytes, what you need. Their start, maybe first day of each month, and their data usage we can set when we get our alert on our monthly data reminder, maybe when we used 80% of our old monthly data, and daily data reminder we can set it. And there we have right how many gigabytes is that percent of our all. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.